Hey guys, so in today's video, I will be showing you how to integrate and connect Dhan onto Tradio in order to fetch your daily trading data automatically. So let's get started. Once you open Tradio, click on Connect Broker and you can see all the brokers available to connect. Now click on the Configure button, right? So for integrating Dhan, you would need access token. Click on this link to get access token from your DMAT account. On top right side of the page, click on Profile option. Here select Access Dhan HQ APIs. Here you can create all the trading APIs and data APIs. Now click on New Token. Here enter the name. It can be anything. Let's simply enter Tradio Journal. Change the token validity to 30 days. After every 30 days, you need to generate new token. Don't change anything here. Now click on Generate Token. Token is generated. Copy this, paste it here in Tradio. Once that is done, you can simply click on Save Changes. Now click on Configure again. Click on Connect and your Dhan account is successfully connected with Tradio. Click on Sync Trades and with single click, you will get all the trades imported here. Keep learning. Thanks.